I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and immediately duplicating the video layer so you can treat the shine non-destructively. On the top layer, apply Lumetri color or exposure and drop the highlights and whites. This reduces intensity without flattening skin. Now draw a mask over the forehead, nose, or cheeks where specular highlights sit and set feather to a moderate value. This isolates the correction, so you can see how the adjustment affects only the bright spots as you proceed. Once the mask is placed, you have to keep it glued to movement. Use mask path tracking, then check and add keyframes where needed because faces rotate and expressions change. Inside the masked area, apply a subtle blur like Gaussian or a median filter to soften specular hotspots, then reduce the layer opacity so the result reads natural. Also fine-tune Lumetri only inside that mask. Reduce highlights further, nudge shadows up a bit, and tweak color temperature until the corrected patch blends with surrounding skin. Finish by adjusting mask expansion and feather to eliminate hard edges or halos. A little negative expansion often prevents brightness rims. Toggle the duplicate on and off as you render short previews so you can compare before and after, and make micro adjustments to opacity, blur amount, or Lumetri sliders until it reads natural. If you see problems, mask drifting, haloing, or overly flat skin, either refine mask keyframes, back off effect strength, or increase feather slightly. These quick fixes resolve most issues before exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.